Okay, we're inside the City Casino, and we're just gonna check it all out. It's pretty quiet. It's there's an outbreak of 2 people that just happened in Macau, which is big news because there's been hardly any cases in quite a while, and now today there's 2. So got some warnings on our phones, and anyways, we're gonna go walk around the studio and we'll talk about that as we do. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's just kind of walk around Studio City a little bit. Yeah, actually there's there's 2 cases that just occurred in Macau, and Macau, I think it's something like around 50 cases. I don't know exactly, 53 or 47 or something like that total since the whole outbreak in the last year and a half. So to get 2 cases right now is quite a change in things, because Macau's been COVID free throughout this whole thing. So it looks like we might be going under some kind of lockdown, and on top of that, I have a good friend who's going to be coming through immigration right now, and his timing couldn't be worse. So we'll see. I'm kind of watching for him at the immigration area, and we're right by the immigration area in this Studio City Casino. This is usually quite busy before COVID. This particular one has been very quiet for the whole COVID era, basically. But later this would be a very popular casino because it's right next to the border. Yeah, look at this, almost everything is shut down in here. I think it was shut down anyways. A lot of people, they go to the other casinos that are more popular, which is like Venetian, Parisian, Londoner, things like that. This one is going to serve as a bigger casino later, I think. I've actually heard some funny things about this casino. One is quite beautiful and quite cool, but I heard it was going to be more for, like, I know a good filmmaker in Macau who was quite excited when they were going to build this, because there were going to be some opportunities for filmmakers to craft their work and do some things, and I guess that never materialized. They never actually did that. So I think there might be a little bit of, there's some people down there. Okay, looks like our food courts up here are closed, but all this stuff is quite active. That's good. So maybe we'll walk down there and we'll try to see what we can see, and we'll continue doing Studio City. I'm glad it's a bit busier than I thought. Oh, McDonald's is open up here too. I haven't been up here in a long time, but I thought last time I was up here, McDonald's was closed. So there is some activity, just not where we came in at. But down here, there seems to be activity. But yeah, anyways, we got 2 confirmed cases. Give you a little bit of a rundown about Macau. Macau has been absolutely closed to the outside world for since March 2020, and now it's August 2021. But it's only closed to non-Chinese. So the Chinese have been able to come and go as much as they want in and out of China. Up to 30,000 people a day, I saw. So so for the foreign community, we haven't been able to go anywhere, but for Macau and Chinese people, they can go all over the place. So I heard that this case, the 2 people who have COVID, one of their sons was in Xi'an or something, and the other was in another city as well. So they've been pretty well traveled. What's that guy? Oh, they're doing shots. So the reason they were yelling is because they were doing like a shot of beer. So they make a little loud chant. Anyways. So yeah, because there's COVID, we're all under alert now. Yeah, and as far as foreigners go, yeah, we haven't been able to leave the city, so we've all been here for the last 16, 17 months. But for Chinese, they've been traveling a lot, so they've been going all over China, and Chinese come over here, so yeah, 30,000. So we've been kind of inevitable that it's gonna get some COVID cases here through mainland China, and that finally happened. So yeah, today is the day for that. So yeah, here's a food court down here. Haven't been here in a while. So yeah, this would be a little bit of a showing you about this casino, Studio City, and also kind of an update on what's going on. Steakhouse, okay. let's see, a lot of these casinos, they also cater towards the Chinese audience, but this steakhouse looks like it's a little bit of mix of stuff. That's nice to see. Noodles, okay, that's good. Pretty common. Dunkling gourmet. There's a Thai restaurant, good. So there's one Thai restaurant here. Dim sum, hello. The Thai, hello. Dynasty gourmet. Okay, let's see, spicy cuisine. Sichuan, okay, Sichuan. Here's Chinese marinade. So yeah, that's basically the food court. Yeah, there's a Thai restaurant in there. That's good. Usually, yeah, you get almost no foreign restaurants in the casinos. It's predominantly. Oh, that one has the pork chop bun sandwiches. That one is a Macau one. So people in Macau will usually do the pork chop bun. There's actually more people down here, so that's good. Baccarat tournament, August 21 and August 22. That's good. They do have stuff going on in here. Yeah, so my friend, he's coming across from Zhuhai now, but but we'll see if he can actually come across. The COVID outbreak, they might be really strict now, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Yeah, we've actually been here, we've been watching, because yeah, it's been kind of tough. I think Macau is more shut down than other places for foreigners because Chinese Macau people can travel all over China, so they can go almost anywhere except where there's COVID outbreaks, and there's a few of them with a new variant. So yeah, let's see what happens. So anyways, this is inside Studio City. You get a little bit of taste of it. Also giving you a little bit of an update of the COVID situation in Macau and what's going on. And looks like this mall is a little bit more active. There are a lot of mainland Chinese tourists everywhere these days. I think it was inevitable that we'd get COVID. It's too bad that foreigners we can't even come in, even if we did a quarantine. Foreigners are not allowed in unless they're in China, which is interesting. There's a casino down that way. More stuff down this way, stuff down this way. Let's just walk all the way down. Yeah, there's actually quite a few people around. So, okay. Well, anyways, that's a little bit of touch of what's happening in Macau. And you can also see that there are people at this casino, and there is some activity and people around. So that's a good sign. But basically, that's where we started out, was up there, upstairs. There's a lot more to see in this casino, but this is kind of one of the highlight areas anyways. So a little update as well. Okay, so we started upstairs above here. We just did one little walk around, but I think we saw some of the more interesting parts of Studio City. This one almost never gets the draws that my other videos get. It's kind of too bad because I think this casino is kind of an interesting one, and I think the day will shine for it when the border with Hengqin is open. And you got all this kind of drag and stuff as well. So yeah, we started up on that spot. Water park entrance, okay. Macau Gourmet Walk. So anyways, that's Macau. And I think we're gonna go up, and then we'll end this one. So hope you like that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.